So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make an animation of mouse move effect with the help of pure HTML and CSS. Also we are including some JavaScript. So let's get started. If you want the source code, it is given in our portfolio. The link of the portfolio is given in the about section of the YouTube or in the description of this video. So let's get started. So let's start our code by writing the HTML boilerplate code. Give the title animation on mouse move. Save this, reload the page. Your title have been changed. Link the CSS file, which is very important. The CSS file have been linked. Save this. To the web page we have to give here margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Save it. Let's go to the HTML page. Here make the class ID container. The second ID will be of cursor. Save it. Let's go to our HTML tag, CSS file. In the CSS file, first take the body tag. In the body tag, we have to give your display flex, align item center, justify content center, minimum height of 100 VH, width of 100%. Overflow will be hidden, background of black color, #000. Save it. Here the background have been changed. Let's go ahead to the class ID container. In the ID container we have to give the display grid template columns. Repeat 15,100 pixel and the grid of we have to give the grid gap of 5 pixel. Save it. Let's go ahead to the HTML.index file, index.html file. Take here the script tag. In the script tag we have to first make a for loop for where variable I equals to 0. It will start from 0, then I will be less than 120. There will be increment of 1 I plus plus. In that loop we have to take a variable let box equals to document dot create element. Which element we have to create? The span. We have to create a span element. Now we have to append this box in this container. Means this all 120 span tag will be available in the container tag. Let's see it. Document dot get element by ID. Which ID we have to take? The ID container. In the container we have to append this. Which tag we have to append? The span tag. Dot append the child box. Save it. You can see here while inspecting in the body tag, here the container tag, this all container tag. Here are the 120 span tag available. Now let's go ahead by giving the CSS to this span tag. In the CSS tag, in CSS file, take the class ID container. By crawling, go to span, The position of this span tag will be relative. Position will be relative. Width of 100 pixel, height of 100 pixel, width 100 pixel, height of 100 pixel. Background will be hash 111, means the shade of the black color. Here all the boxes have been created here. And let's go ahead. We have to give some z index of 10. Save it. Now let's go ahead. Container span before. Here we have to put the content empty. Position of this will be absolute. Width of 50%, height of 100%. Background will be RGB 255, 255, 255, 0.05, 0.05. Save it. Here there have been white color, gray color, gray shades of this in the opposite directions. Now let's go ahead to the ID cursor. In the curve we have to give some CSS to the cursor. The position of this cursor will be relative absolute. Position absolute. Width of the cursor will be 400 pixel. Height of the cursor will be 400 pixel. By mistake. Height of the cursor will be 400 pixel. The background will be hash 0 of 0, means the green shaded color. You can see here the cursor have been created. We have to give the border radius of 50%, border radius 15%. Save it. Now let's go ahead. Now we have to give some animate 4 second linear infinite. Now what we have to give the animation is @keyframes animate. We have to animate from 0% to 100%. In the 0% we have to give filter of U rotate from 0 degree, and there should be some blur effect of 5 pixel, 5 or 50 pixel. Save it. Now this filter we have to also give in the till 100%. You rotate to 360 degree, blur of 50 pixel. Save it. Here you can see the changes of color. Now we have to add some JavaScript for on move on cursor. In the script app we have to give some JavaScript for the cursor. Let's give it let cursor equals to document.get element by id, document.get element by id. Which id we have to get? The cursor. This id we have to give in the cursor id cursor. Go to the instance window dot on mouse move on on mouse move, not leaf, on mouse move. We have to give the function here. Function on mouse move. It's right. Yes, it's right. Almost right. Function e. Do the curly braces here. In the curly braces, we have to add cursor dot style dot left equals to e dot client. In next direction plus pixel and strings. Now we have to give this cursor style. In the top direction is to e dot client, in y direction plus pixel. Save it. Now here our project is been ready. You can see here on mouse move effect animation. Please like our video, don't forget to subscribe it and share it.